If you are watching this video, there is a good chance that you are interested in one of these two software solutions. Some may wonder about the use of the AVEVA PI system, while others may be considering a model-driven MES. And I ask you, why not both? Hello and welcome to this new video. Today, I would like to highlight the complementarity of these two software solutions by exploring what each brings to the other. This approach answers a legitimate question: why do we need both when they sometimes seem to overlap? Well, the answer is simple: they complement each other exceptionally well. And I invite you to discover this in two parts. Let's start by understanding what the MES brings to the AVEVA PI system users by detailing the three major advantages of this configuration. 1. Manufacturing Operations Management. First and foremost, the MES is the brain behind production. It manages all factory manufacturing operations and ensures efficient coordination of all production activities. Although the PI system allows real-time operation monitoring, it does not include functionality for production execution, hence the name, Manufacturing Execution System. 2. Scheduling and Planning. Next, the MES offers precise scheduling and planning. It optimizes the production sequence based on available human or material resources, time constraints, and equipment capacity, reducing waiting times and maximizing production efficiency. These are two specific functions of manufacturing operations management that fall under the execution of MES, which is absent in the PI system. 3. Genealogy, Traceability, and Compliance. Finally, Genealogy. While the PI system offers similar features, such as event tracking and batch production monitoring, it was not originally designed to perform production genealogy. The MES, on the other hand, ensures complete product traceability throughout the manufacturing process, ensuring compliance with standards and regulations. You know exactly where each component has been used, and you can trace the manufacturing chain in both directions. Now, let's move on to what the PI system brings to MES users through these three main features resulting from this integration. 1. A real data infrastructure. Firstly, if we were to summarize the PI system with one key idea, it would be its mission as an operational data infrastructure for the entire enterprise. Some might call it an industrial data lake. While the MES has similar features for collecting and archiving time series data, the PI system offers a complete toolbox for all its users to easily take control of their data, model it according to their evolving needs, and extract maximum value from it. 2. On-demand calculations and analysis. Secondly, through the creation of on-demand analyses, the PI system allows domain experts to make their process knowledge available to the entire enterprise by creating their own business indicators. Whether it's to improve quality, productivity, efficiency, or any other business-critical aspect, specific expressions, formulas, or calculations can be added at any time to this intelligent, scalable, and self-service data model. 3. Connectivity and integration. Furthermore, heterogeneous data collection and reduced integration time. Thanks to its wide range of interfaces, connectors, and adapters, the PI system allows for the native collection of almost all operational data sources. It can thus feed the MES with data from new sources of information and at a finer granularity. Moreover, its design and self-service operating mode for continuous improvement make the PI system easily integratable with other systems, including the MES. In fact, using a single data model on these two platforms will significantly reduce the integration time required. In conclusion, in many cases, the complementarity of the MES and the PI system is essential for effective production monitoring and management. Each brings specific features that enrich the entire production process. The MES primarily focuses on manufacturing execution, planning, and traceability, while the PI system offers a robust operational data infrastructure, extensive connectivity, and an exceptional toolbox for your domain experts. This synergy allows companies to optimize their productivity, quality, and efficiency while maintaining compliance with standards. So, why choose between one and the other when you can leverage their combined benefits? If this topic interests you, please feel free to contact us for personalized advice. We are here to answer your questions, discuss your specific needs, and help you implement a tailor-made solution that maximizes your operational performance.